fill that cooler.
Oh yeah. Here's what the lake looks like right now.
Gonna keep it nice and tight, and then we're gonna pull it out because it's a little rough out there, I think, but in post it's nice and calm.
Yep.
Guy out here fishing for walleyes.
Right here, well, he's using boards. Just some mayflies. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm not seeing them.
We're gonna move again and try to find another spot with walleyes.
Thank you much. Because I want you guys to do these. Now the water's gonna be cold, so you know, see how it comes out with hits.
It hit the bottom that fast?
It still isn't there.
Oh, I thought.
Alright, there it's on the bottom. Then you put it right in this hole. Okay. Now we do it to the other one.
I saw it!
Fisher,
I saw
watch your rods.
Keep tension on it. Gotta keep tension on it.
I have tension on it.
No, you didn't.
I can feel them. I feel something.
Got it?
You ready? Just watch these rods. You gotta keep looking there.
What's your range? Like on the rod. I want to see how close you are.
What is that right now? What's there?
It's here.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a keeper. That's a big keeper. Nice job. Nice job.
Keeper?
Oh, yeah, I think.
You sure? It's tiny. Are you sure?
Pretty sure. What do you think, Mike?
For real. Yeah. You guys measure it. It's over 15 inches.
Right here. Oh, no. Yeah, that's probably small, Grandpa. We'll find out, though.
They're not going to be real big,
Find
but as
out.
long as...
You said you were going to put up the board.
Fisher, can you get the big deal over the other side, Chase? Okay.
Then here.
You gotta go around. What you gotta do is you gotta go under or over. You gotta
went right into it.
You gotta do something, okay? So if that way doesn't work.
Yeah. You like this one? It's bigger than the other one.
Oh, that's good. That one.
You're right. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Fisher.
Might be just short.
Chase? Yeah. I'm the camera person. You got this, Fisher. Yeah, did it feel really big? Yeah, where do you want him to bring it in? Pretty big. Bring it right. Oh my God, you got the line.
All right. Okay.
I did that too. I didn't do it. Not as. Fine. That's a good one. It's a good one.
Nice one.
Good job.
Why can't I get this rod right here?
Way to go, Fisher. Nice fish.
Love that. That is a good one. Yeah, hold it
Take
up.
the fish.
Let's see right. Here's your little fishy. There we go. Look at that. One walleye.
Oh, he's gone. You gotta reel, man. Can't stop. Once you
Right here. Yeah, you have a fish.
get it. Chase.
Chase, I'm recording. You don't have to.
See how we marked on the fish finder? Look what happened.
Yeah, I literally said be ready, guys, and then I have to go down, and I was like, uh-oh. Yeah, he just ate the. Woo, it's a big one. Oh, he's running drag. Oh, that's big.
Okay. I don't care what anybody says. I love watching them.
Hold on, Chase.
Even if you miss them, you can.
It's
still
a
put it
small
back
boat.
and catch it. Like there.
Oh yeah.
Nice one. Good job. Nice net.
You gotta get him out. I gotta snag it last.
All right, you got another net?
Oh crap, he's right there. Yeah, we have another net. Okay, we got him. It's on your GoPro.
Oh, that's a big. Oh, that's a big one.
Go. It's stuck.
Got
Got
it. Go. Nice and easy.
That's a big one. Oh, Jesus. I put a mark in here, Mike.
Yeah, it's
So you
really
remember
close.
701.
Yeah, it's too close. It's 15.
Hey, Dad, can you get over that? It's 15, so why not?
Yeah, but if it's even close to 15.
Why do you?
Crazy about it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey, what? I need
Look at
a.
that. As soon as we went over there.
Yeah, I literally said 3 coming.
Just
What are the chances? 2 out of 3 bit.
Just don't go by that prop, okay?
That's not a keeper. All right, we're throwing this one back.
No, I want you to measure it. Pinch your tail.
We got close. Okay, I got a my fish. Holy crap, it's right here. Yeah, where's my name?
Grab the other net.
Yeah, it's not a walleye.
Yeah, it is. That's a walleye.
Oh,
Baby, just pull it in. Pull it in. Pull it in? I'll get it.
Just pull it in.
It's so tiny. It came in so fast, too.
That big?
Oh, yeah. I didn't even see it, but you said it, so.
Dang. Bring it up, Fisher, bring it up. One more time, Fisher.
Yeah! Woo!
Wow.
Look at that, boys.
Hog.
Oh, that's a big one.
I don't want to break it.
Looks down the barrel.
That one will have fish pliers.
Here, look how
You
big
weren't losing
that is.
this one.
Fisher, you're holding that, and that's
I
what's
sucked it in, huh?
That's
Oh, yeah. It hailed it. Fisher was looking at it, he's like, that's a fish on right there, because you see the board was far back. You weren't losing this one, that's for sure.
Look at that, some damage. Nice Fisher. What do you have to say?
He wouldn't.
I picked out that
That's
color,
a big one.
and
How big is that? It's like
it weighed
5 pounds? Wait, what lure is that so we can show everybody? Yeah, is that like, what's that, like 4 or
My
5
favorite,
pounds?
one of my
the secret recipe.
Oh, I stepped on a cracker.
Guess who tied this harness up? Me.
But I picked the one that she already.
Okay,
This is special.
this is what we're using.
Golden
What's it
green.
called? Golden green?
Oh, this? Yellow and orange and gold with a black dot. Anything with a dot works.
Yeah, that's what we're using.
Oh, you got me. Super. Good one.
It's a keeper, I think. Oh, I could have pulled that up.
I thought it was better.
I didn't see it. They always look meh. Oh, see, it ate it.
Yeah.
I know.
Got him?
It's not that big, but it's a keeper.
That's good enough, huh? I think this one might have one too.
Oh yeah, it does. I'm trying. I think it's gonna get hit first. Oh god.
Let me get back there. Hey, could you guys get somebody get me a net?
I can't.
Oh, fish.
Oh yeah, that's a good.
I'm getting hot. Some of mine. Yeet. It's run and drag. Hey, let it go. Hey, can you please fix the speed dead?
Did you speed it up? Oh.
You were done.
Do I have that board by him? Nice one.
That's a big one.
Nice one.
Oh, yeah.
That's got some meat on him.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the whole.
Get him. Oh, he's a nice one.
Look at that.
Oh,
Let me get in that circle of death.
You got a bet. I can hear it.
right back in his face.
Yeah, I'm about to get him.
Keep it tight, thing. Can't
Yeah,
leave
me
any
and
slack.
Vader crush each other.
Crap, I do have it.
Yeah, you've had it the whole time.
Well, I can't feel it. It's the
'Cause you're
smallest
not-
thing ever.
You got
Go
this,
ahead.
Dad.
Is that a keeper?
Could be.
Yeah, mine's a
I literally couldn't even feel it. Didn't feel like a fish at
Real
all.
faster. Make it feel heavier.
I
It
would.
looks like a keeper, but no.
It is.
Just make sure.
I bet you it's 16.
It's a little bit
Yeah.
more. 16 and a half, Grandpa. You're about right.
We're gonna open this and see how many we have.
Oh, I know it is. It's doo 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 doo.
Look how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 16 walleye in here. 16. That's a lot. We got a jumbo one right here.
Yeah, I'll pop that.
Nuh-uh, Fisher
Oh,
did.
that's me.
Okay, that's how many we have so far. 16. Me, I'll take it.
Grandpa was dying. It was all up.
Watch out.
There was something.
Is
All right.
I wish we had a yacht or something.
Yeah, that's only for richers. You have to let go of it.
Oh, where are the pliers? Ow! Just slapped me.
Is that him?
Okay, guys, we got big ones.
I'm just saying here, boy.
I need net.
No, you don't.
Come on, Zane. Do the little.
You got mine, Dad.
I have a fish too.
You do?
Bring your electric knife.
Oh no.
I got mine.
Zane, you might be able to do it.
That's gonna make it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the same size. Oh, yeah, you're right. Nope. But close. All right.
Yeah, we just got
Go back out.
That's 55 feet.
No.
Casey, you still have one? Oh, no.
yeah,
we just got a triple.
No, I didn't get one.
That's all. We're gonna check again. Woo! A lot more filled. I don't even think you can count anymore.
You gotta put them in the net.
Yeah. Do all that. Yeah, but we got a lot. Something around in the 20s probably. We'll count at the end.
Yeah, we're coming.
These are harnesses.
I can't see.
Holy smokes.
Oh my God, he's pulling me down.
Wow, there should be something there.
Move, Chase. You can move over.
Oh,
Grandpa.
This is the second little one I caught.
Is that actually? Oh my God.
You got another line, Grandpa. You got.
Is it a crappy fish? Yeah, it's a keeper.
Oh, you.
That's a keeper. It's a 16. Oh wait, no, it's not.
Holy crap.
No, don't.
No,
It's. Okay, guys. So right now we're just reeling in our fishing rods. We got almost our limit. So our limit was 30. We have like 27, 28, something like that.
29.
Yeah, we're really close to 30. So we're just reeling our rods in.
pretty
As
sure
you
we
can
have
see,
30.
we're just reeling them in. We have all those rods out of the water. There's like 2 more in the water that we're reeling in
Hey,
right
come
now.
here.
We have a fish on.
You need to. Well, here, you should get this rod out of my way.
Yeah, so we're almost done. What is that? Ow. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We had a great day of walleye fishing, caught our limit, almost.
We
Almost caught our
yeah, we caught our limit.
Caught like 4 sheephead, I
What?
think.
Oh, we got 5.
Yeah,
Either
something
way,
like that.
here's what happened today. Here's the dealio. Got some pretty big ones. Yeah, pretty big ones. Yeah, what was our biggest one today? What was the weight on it?
I don't know. 23?
No, Dad, the weight.
Biggest one is 23 inches, maybe.
Yeah, that's close enough to weight. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. We had a
Yeah,
good day.
perfect day of
It was
walleye
nice.
fishing.
Yeah, it was a good day to walleye fish.
We had like a triple on once, double.
Yeah. Either way, it was a good day.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
See you.
See you in the next video.